Hello, dear student. This is your school counselor Paramjeet Kaur, and today we'll talk about very important topic, that is how to overcome the fear of failure. Life's greatest problem is fear. It robs us of happiness. It causes us to settle for less than we are capable of. It is a root negative emotion because fear of failure is closely related to fear of criticism and fear of rejection. Whatever humans have learned had to be learned as a consequence only of trial and error experience because they have learned through their mistakes only. There are the qualities of children that I want to share with you. Born unafraid, except for the fear of loud noises and feeling of fear of fallings. Some children completely uninhibited, say and do exactly what they feel with no concern for others' opinion. Some are completely spontaneous. Some are having unconditional love for everyone. And how these children learn these qualities? By imitation, by moving away from discomfort to comfort, by striving to be loved. Most of what we do is to get love or compensate for lack of love. Fear of failure is a conditioned response that also we learn in childhood. Decide exactly what you want to do, then act as if it were impossible to fail. Because fear is learned and fear can be unlearned too. He who never fell never climbed. So never quit. The world opens up for winners. Winners exactly like you. People who welcome a challenge, who are willing to see a task through. No matter how tough was the going, no matter how steep was your road, you were willing to focus your vision. No matter how heavy your load, your courage has made you a winner. You can hold up your head with pride. Today marks a new beginning, as into the future you stride. So celebrate your success. Tomorrow is waiting for you. So I'm going to share a story about the tiny frogs. There once was a bunch of tiny frogs who arranged a running competition. The goal was to reach the top of very high tower. A big crowd has gathered around the tower to see the race and cheer up on the contestant. The race began. Honestly, no one in the crowd really believed that the tiny frogs would reach the top of the tower. You heard statements such as, "Oh, way too difficult. They will never make it to the top," or "not a chance that they will succeed. The tower is too high." The tiny frogs began collapsing one by one, except for those who, in a fresh tempo, were climbing higher and higher. The crowd continued to yell, "It is too difficult. No one will make it." More tiny frogs, poor frogs, got tired and gave up. But one continued higher and higher and higher. This one would not give up. At the end, everyone else had given up climbing the tower, except for the one tiny frog who, after a big effort, was the only one who reached the top. Then all of the other tiny frogs naturally wanted to know how this one frog managed to do it. A contestant asked the tiny frog how the one who succeeded had found the strength to reach the goal. It turned out that the winner was deaf. And the wisdom of this story is, never listen to other people's tendency to be negative or pessimistic, because they take your most wonderful dreams and wishes away from you, the ones you have in your heart. Always think of the power words have, because everything you hear and read will affect your actions. Therefore, always be positive. And above all, be deaf when people tell you that you cannot fulfill your dreams. Always think, "I can do this," and pass this message on to 5 tiny frogs you care about. Give them some motivation. Now we'll talk about some steps to overcome your fear of failure. Take action. Be bold. Have decisive action. Do something scary. Fear of failure immobilizes you. To overcome this fear, you must act. When you act, act boldly. Persist. Successful people just don't give up. But unsuccessful people try one thing that doesn't work and then they give up. Don't take failures personally. Failure is not a personality characteristic. Although what you do may not give you the result you wanted, it doesn't mean you are a failure because you made a mistake. Do things differently. If what you're doing is not working, do something else. There is an old saying, if you always do what you have always done, you always get what you always got. Don't be so hard on yourself because of the failure. Failure is a judgment or evaluation of behavior. Look at failure as an event or a happening, not as a person. Treat the experience as an opportunity to learn. Think of failure as a learning experience. Although we all make mistakes, fear of failure does not have to cripple you. Look for possible opportunities that result from the experience. Look for opportunity and the benefit. So these steps you have to remember. Take action, persist, don't take failure personally, do things differently, don't be so hard on yourself, treat the experience as an opportunity, look for possible opportunities. Never say never. Failure is part and parcel of life, my dear students. It is failure that makes us stronger and more persistent. Patience and faith are our best friends. Make them your best friends. Keeping a can-do attitude help us never to give up on ourselves. It allows us to recharge, reinvest and reinvent ourselves by melting down our fear. So, overcome your fear of failure. Thank you very much and have a nice day.